Wayne here again. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I messed up and forgot to start the camera when I started putting this sucker back together. So, here we are. Here it is. Yeah, I got the rod caps torqued, pistons are in, new rings are in. You can see it, pistons in, rings are in, rod caps are on the torque. So, I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking tonight because I've only got 3 days to finish this. So I'm going to set y'all up with some time lapses and see if we can get this thing done. Catch y'all on the flip side. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and whomever else is watching. I can't believe I did it, but this is night number 1 of me putting this thing back together. And it's, I don't even know what time. I want to say it's 11:30. 12:22. I started putting this together about 7 o'clock. So it's 12:22 now. Not bad. Motor's assembled completely. I gotta put the water pump housing on, alternator, power steering pump, intake, exhaust, flywheel and clutch. Not bad for one night. Saturday may be a reality. It's too early to tell though. So, I'm tired, gotta go to bed, pick up where we left off tomorrow night. See y'all then. Alright, sorry. Phone was dead, so I didn't get to record some of it. Didn't do much, but got the intake stuck on, fixing to bolt it down. I got the water housing on, and then exhaust manifold, flywheel, wiring harness. And then time to put her back in there. So without further ado, on night number 2, here we go. Put it out the way, and I gotta attach what's underneath the hood. So we'll put the rack in, gotta swap that control arm and that strut. Wish me luck, see you in a little bit. Power rods are on. Control arms fixed. All that's ready. Not gonna make the race in Jackson. It kind of stinks, but it's better this way. Then I can make sure everything's okay and whatever. So, with that said, catch y'all tomorrow night when I wrap this up and hit the button. Alright folks, welcome back. Sorry I've been a little neglectful in the recording process, but I think the last time we were on here, I had got the motor set in and went over that. Got everything else hooked back up, and we're ready to bust it off. So, without further ado, I'm gonna hit the key for you. So, no smoke, which is fantastic. I got to put the exhaust manifold on, hook the exhaust pipe back up, radiator, bumper, little bumper support piece, and then the bumper, and then put my sheet metal back on. Then after that, I got to straighten up the alignment because my toe's out a little bit, but other than that, everything looks good. So, I'm going to set you up and we're going to get to finishing this up. Back, time lapse is over. All we got left is the bumper bar, bumper, headlight covers, and the hood. So that one's going to be saved till we get to the track so you can see what I look like. Again, hopefully this will be the last time for a while. So without further ado, not blowing water everywhere, that's a good thing. Hit it one time, that's it. Alright, so that's going to be a wrap for me. Appreciate all y'all hanging out. Again, like I said, hopefully this is the last time for a while. So thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all later. If you haven't done it already, like, comment, subscribe. Wayne.